guys. It's alright. She's gonna be okay. She's gonna be okay, guys. She's gonna be okay, bro. Getting her up out of here. Take her right to Tri-State. Right to Tri-State, guys.
Right to Tri-State.
Yeah. Right to Tri-State. We're gonna get her up fixed. Get her done. Hopefully she's done in like a week or so. Sad to see her go, man. Boss man doing his thing. I'm gonna let y'all know, guys know when it's on the truck. Oh, actually no, never mind. He's doing it. All American. She's sitting pretty low. Hey, that's why I was like, I had needed a flatbed. Oh, that's all right. That's fine.
I was coming home one night, my coworker off.
Yeah.
And there was a tow truck guy. He was towing a truck. I think it was a truck or a van or something.
Yeah.
He was going around a turn and the thing fell.
Oh wow.
He was leaving. The tires were, it was like this. It was like this. So as I was turning the corner, I was like, why's that truck up against the pole?
Yeah.
When I looked, and it fell off the carrier.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
He didn't have a
Oh, the e-brake?
Take the e-brake off.
Take the e-brake off? All right. Yeah, it's open.
But I need the key.
Oh, all right, here you go. Here you go, bro.
Oh, stick?
Yes, sir.
Nice. What year is it?
08.
08?
Yeah.
How much you spending it?
Huh?
How much you spending it?
Like 6.5.
6.5?
Yeah.
100?
Yeah. Still decent. Oh, wait, I didn't show you guys the part when the car broke down the first time. So here's that.
It's in neutral already. Yeah, it's in neutral already. It's open. It's be open.
Shout out to Anthony's Tone, New Jersey.
Hey, Pop, see if the e-brake up. I think he left the e-brake up.
Just stay on.
All right.
Brake.
I got you. I got you.
platform. That was breaking.
If it could limp it up here, that's what you want.
But yeah, of course, I feel you. Hold on, let me ask him. Look at this. Idiot street sweeper. Idiot. The freaking idiot, man. Huh?
That was a police car that just went past.
Oh, she cleared, right? She cleared? Yeah. Nice. Gotta get the YouTube angles. Yeah. Oh, look at the true hearts. Look at them. I don't know if you guys can see it, but back there, under there, the red coilovers. Alright, Foden, you ready?
Ready what?
Let's start with the car.
Huh?
Start with the car, we're gonna follow him there.
I thought you got around them.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna ride with him.
Oh, you gonna ask him?
Yeah.
Ask him right now.
Hey, boss, that's it's fine if I ride with you, right? All right, cool.
One, right?
Yeah, it's me. Because he's going to be following us in that right there.
Oh, let's put this down first.
Oh, yeah, all right, back. Right back, guys. Before I go, in love, in memory, she will be back.